In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cursive dotted tracing worksheets using Microsoft Word. These worksheets are perfect for helping children or beginners practice cursive handwriting, improve letter recognition, and develop fine motor skills. With Word, you can easily create customizable tracing sheets without the need for specialized software, making it an accessible and effective tool for teachers, parents, or tutors. To start, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. The first step is to set up the page layout. Go to the Layout tab and adjust the margins to give enough space for writing practice. You might want to select slightly wider margins or use landscape orientation if you prefer longer lines for tracing. This setup ensures that your worksheet has ample space for learners to practice comfortably. Next, insert a table to structure the tracing lines. Go to the Insert tab and select Table. Create a table with several rows and a single column or multiple columns depending on how many lines you want on the page. Each row will serve as a line where learners can trace letters. Adjust the row height to create consistent spacing between lines, which helps maintain uniformity for handwriting practice. Once the table is ready, you can start adding dotted letters. Click inside a cell where you want the tracing letters to appear. Type the cursive letter or word you want learners to practice. Then, highlight the text and change the font to a cursive style such as Lucida Handwriting, Brush Script, or any other cursive font installed on your computer. Next, change the font style to dotted or use Word's text effects to simulate a dashed outline. If the font does not support dotted lines, you can manually create them by using periods or underscores spaced to form the shape of each letter. Repeat this process for all letters, words, or sentences you want on the worksheet. You can also adjust the font size to make the letters large, enough for easy tracing, and use bold formatting if needed to enhance visibility. For additional practice, leave blank lines between rows or alternate with solid baseline guides to help learners maintain proper letter height and alignment. Finally, review your worksheet and make sure all the letters are clear and evenly spaced. Once satisfied, save the document and print it for learners to use. You now have a fully customized cursive dotted tracing worksheet ready for handwriting practice. Creating tracing worksheets in Microsoft Word is a simple and effective way to provide guided practice. And with a little customization, you can create materials tailored to the learner's skill level. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.